Can't really see any animals there yet, but I can smell them. Yeah, as I was saying, this is Regent Canal. It goes that way to, I think, Camden. Well, no, Camden's that way. That way, I don't know. I don't know. But we're going to go that way, towards the zoo. Okay, if the smell is anything to go by, we are now walking through the zoo. So this is part of the zoo. I'm not sure what part. You can kind of see some of the animal enclosures there. And then I think it continues on this side as well. So we're kind of like in the middle of the zoo and also in the middle of the road for all the cyclists. So we've got to keep an eye out. But yeah, I can't really see any animals there yet. Well, I can smell them.
Yes.
Yeah, but we'll just keep going, see what we can see. Yeah, let's see. So like up here, you can kind of see what used to be, I guess, like some sort of monkey enclosure. But obviously here, they've either escaped or they're redoing them. I think they're redoing it. Like it looks like they're redoing maybe the drainage or just in general everything there. But yeah, definitely coming apart there as well. So yeah, they must have moved the monkeys somewhere else.
Here.
There's some monkeys there, monkeys. There's a monkey there. Monkeys everywhere, but not in the zoo. Uh-oh. So yeah, that was Regents Canal. We've been to, obviously, Regents Park. There is a nice man with a boat over there, a punter person. Yeah, and Regents Canal kind of then leads around to Camden, which is quite interesting, which is where we're heading now. Just in Camden. Camden is just over there. We've just been walking down. We're up around Regents Canal. You can see some boats here, or some kayaks. And also just around here, actually, you can see the Pirate Castle, where you can hire boats and things from. Maybe that's where they got those from. But yeah, that was the thing. Yeah, we're now going to head down to Camden. I don't think we're going to hang around too much. Maybe not. But then, yeah, just head home. Or we may do another vlog after that. But yeah, so if you enjoyed all of that, do all those things. Subscribe, like, comment down below. Let me know what you think. Yeah, it's some amazing scenery. We've been to Regent Park and then down the Regents Canal, which has amazing houses, the zoo. I didn't get to hear the lion, but oh well, maybe next time.
I heard it.
We did hear it, but you haven't heard it. Yeah, so that's it. Signing off. Until the next one, keep on drifting.